Hello, and you're very welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to speak about warming up your vocal cords for voiceover and for voice acting. And this is something I've been asked about quite a lot recently. How do I warm up, and what do I do to warm up my voice before I go into a voice acting session or a voiceover session? So today I'm going to show you exactly what I do and how I do it. And I've also created a graph so you can read it too. I'll show you that right now. Just quickly, please, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand side. And if you can, hit the old bell notification, which will indeed notify you whenever I make one of these tutorial videos. So I'd really appreciate that, but thank you. And now cracking on, I'm going to show you this graph. Bear with me, which I have created. Okay. Now, here we go. Okay. So I've done it in 4 different steps to simplify it for you. Number 1 is called lip trills, and this will give you better breath control. So place your lips loosely together and take a deep breath. Release the air between your lips while producing a B sound. This will make your lips vibrate, creating the trill sound. Keep repeating this exercise by going slowly up and down the scales. You can do this probably 3, 4, 5 times if you want, or as many times as you want, but a couple of times definitely is needed. Oh, number 2 is yawning. And yawning really improves your voice because it opens up your throat and relaxes your soft palate, thus giving you better sound and breath support. Open your mouth to yawn and exhale at the end with a soft sigh like an ah. Repeat this 5 times. Also remember, really important, always do this at the end of your warm-up routine. So always do this at the end, even if it's a couple of times when you're finished. Do it in between and do it at the end. Number 3, sirens. Not police sirens, but these sirens will improve your vocal range. Sirens, which are also known as octave slides, help to warm up the highest and lowest parts of your register. In simple terms, it means taking your voice from its lowest to the highest pitch and back down again on a soft hum. You can do this by uttering the open vowels such as R, O, and E. You can do this a few times, 3, 4, 5 times. Again, the more the better. Number 4 is humming, and this, surprisingly, restores the voice tone quality. Sit with your back straight and gently close your lips. Take a deep breath and expand your diaphragm. Exhale while humming. Hum until you have no more breath. Repeat this exercise 5 times. And don't forget, always finish with the yawning routine. This is really important. I think if you practice these 4, this should definitely help you out. And, as many times as you like, basically, as many times as you can possibly handle. I think, and the more you practice this and the more you get into it, I think the easier it's going to become. And it'll just become routine whenever you're doing voiceovers or voice acting. It will just become, complete routine, basically. So practice those and get them down. Try again. Everything I say, keep practicing. Keep. I don't want to sound repetitive or annoying, but the more you practice, the better you'll become, and the easier it will become, and you'll notice a huge difference in your voice acting and voiceover skills. You'll have a lot more power in your breath. Your words will be pronounced a lot better. You won't make those mistakes. And in the end, it won't become a chore. It will just become routine, basically. So, as always, I hope this really helps. I guarantee you it will help. Mark my words. And if you have any questions at all, as always, put them in the comment section, and I'll do my absolute best to answer them. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. If you're looking for a voice actor, you came to the right place, my friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, you're going to end up with the Gambino crew and sleeping with the fishes. Capiche?